It's been around a month, so I'm now back with the next installment of my Freetrade portfolio update videos. In the last video that I did, my portfolio was sitting at around £700, and that was actually down by £121, I believe. So I'm going to record my screen, log into Freetrade, and hopefully have a little bit more of a positive update to give today. Before I jump in, I just wanted to quickly say that I currently use Freetrade just as a general investment account. So it's not my ISA, and I just really opened it to start dabbling into investing in some individual stocks. And yeah, it's been interesting. It's been a real learning curve for me. So let me have a little look here. I'll record my screen and we can see where I'm at with this one. The first thing that you'll notice is my current balance. It's £940 and it's changing every second or so because it's the markets are open. About £940. So I just told you that last month it sat at around 700. So either I've done some more investing or I've been very, very lucky and some of my investments have done extremely well. I can tell you it's the first option. Even though the markets are doing a lot better than they were in my last video, I have actually today, today I made a new investment. Sorry, I added to an existing investment. So that's accounts for some of the jump. And also I've sold some of my free shares that were sitting there that I didn't really want in the companies that they were in. So again, that has put this figure up a little bit. And what you'll also see is last month I was down by about £120. This month I'm actually up by roughly £120. So I'm really, really chuffed with that. If we max it out, it looks, my eyes aren't so good here, but it looks to be in line with my highest peak, if not just below that. So let's just scroll down and see what's going on with my actual individual investments here. So the first one that you'll see is Tesla. This is by far my biggest holding and the individual company outside of funds and ETFs that I'm most interested in. I am a big Tesla stock lover and I just plan to keep adding to this, honestly. I do want to bring this under a stocks and shares ISA rather than having it in this general ISA account, but for now this is okay. If you didn't know, I will be picking a new provider very shortly, and under that provider I will be investing in my ETFs, my funds, but also individual companies as well, individual stocks. So hopefully I can move all that over. If not, I'll probably just continue to invest in Tesla within my ISA instead. But yeah, let's click into this one. We'll have a look here. The current value of this holding is £740.79, which means it's gone up by about 10.4%, which equates to around £70. It keeps changing all the time, so I can't give you the exact figure. But I have recently bought some more. So today, 29th of March, I purchased £49.92 worth. So that's counts for some of the jump here. But yeah, just if you're a Tesla investor, there's a lot of news going on at the moment. Is Tesla going to undergo a stock split? If you think they are, or you're not convinced, let me know in the comments. And also, maybe Tesla are going to soon pay dividends, which is so exciting for me. Again, let me know if you think that's possible in the comments below. But enough about Tesla. I'm just going to move through some of these other holdings. So quite similar to my last update, I've not changed any, I've not added any, not sold any into Biogen or Palantir, Lucid Group, Vivian. They've all stayed the same for me. I do plan to exit out of my positions in Lucid Group and Rivian. I just am not ready to sell when they're at this much of a loss. Maybe you guys have an opinion here. Should I just cut my losses? I don't think I should. I think I should wait until, I'm not losing quite this amount of money and then sell. But then again, I don't have very much money invested into these companies in the first place because I wasn't too convinced. I wanted more exposure to the electric car industry. That's why I invested into them. But Tesla is my main runner here anyway. And then I have Moonpig, which, you can see here it's only got £2.26 in. I didn't invest into that. That was a free share that one of you guys gave me, so thank you. I will be selling that when I can and probably just moving that money into a holding that I prefer. And lastly, we have Astra Space. Again, I've not changed anything to do with this holding. They are down by nearly 70%. It's so painful to see this. Like I said in the last video, check that out if you're interested. Maybe I made a mistake here. Maybe this is a learning point as an investor, but yeah, not doing too well. Probably just gonna leave that ticking by. Let's have a look how much I've lost actually. Oh, okay, so I didn't put much money in here at all. I put £5 and I've lost £3.38. So imagine the losses if I'd put like £5,000 in here and I lost 70% of that. But you know, these things go up and they go down, or maybe this one will just go down, who knows. I'm gonna leave that doing what it needs to do for now and perhaps exit out of that position in the near future, perhaps leave it doing its thing, and you know, I'm not really sure. Oh, I've got a queued free share here, how exciting. I didn't think Freetrade was still doing their free shares, but maybe they are because I've had a couple recently. So if you are using my link in the description for Freetrade, thank you so much. You're giving me free shares and I hope you get some good ones as well. So that's pretty much it for my Freetrade portfolio update for this month. The plan going forward is to, like I said, change provider from Vanguard to a different provider and have all of my individual stocks and my funds and ETFs within that ISA for tax purposes. Currently what I do is I invest into Vanguard for Vanguard funds, obviously, and then I have Freetrade where I have dabbled in some individual stocks. So going forward, that probably isn't going to look the same. So this could very well be my last Freetrade portfolio, but stay tuned. I'm not sure whether it will be or not. I may even just leave that as a general ISA account and leave that running. Not too sure. Haven't made that decision yet. But yeah, I must quickly say actually, the views on my channel and the subscribers on my channel has gone up a lot recently. So I just wanted to take this time to just thank all of you. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting this channel. It means a lot. And without further ado, if you want to watch any other Freetrade portfolio updates that I've made in the past, click here.